Word denoting groups, a band of musicians, a board of directors, a bevy of girls, women, or officers, a bunch of grapes, keys, a bundle of sticks and hay, a caravan of pilgrims or travelers, a chain or range of mountains or hills, a choir of singers, a class of students, a retinue of servants or attendants, a clump or grove of trees, a code of laws, a constellation or galaxy of stars, a battalion or troop or regiment or army of soldiers, a course or series of lectures, a crew of sailors, a crowd or mob of people, a curriculum of studies, a flight of steps or stairs, a fleet or ships or motor cars, a flock or flight of birds, a gang of robbers or laborers, garland or bunch or bouquet of flowers, a heap of ruins, sands, and stones, a herd of cattle, a litter of puppies, a pack of hounds, cats, or dogs, a pair of shoes, scissors, or trousers, a series of events, a sheaf of corn or arrows, a swarm of ants, bees, or flies, a train of carriages or followers, a volley or facility or salvo of swords or bullets, a forum of people, a congregation of people, a soul or a school of fish. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.